puppies.
I want that puppy.
Puppies? That's an available female. Oh gosh. The only male not available is, which one is it? I think it's you. Yeah, him. This one. Oh! Candace, that's your puppy.
Yep.
Yep, that's Candace's puppy.
Yep.
Hi, puppies. Got males available. And they are 4 weeks old tomorrow. Hi, puppies. That's my favorite male right there. That's my pick male. He's 700. Or he's going to stay. Oh, you're mean.
Oh. Yeah.
They're just playing. I think that's the female. That's mean. Males in this litter are $5.50. This little female right here, this one right here, she is $6.50, and this is the stud owner's pick right here, female, and she is $700. And then my pick male is right there. 700. The two girls. And all the boys. So, puppies. And these are Aiden's puppies. Ah. Are these your puppies?
Puppy!
Say love you, puppy. Tom, love you. Do you want one? No? I think you're lying.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Yeah, puppy.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Give it a kiss.
Puppy.